Mama wakwaba midin ede adwoa searching mesrew na wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell so for more news. Accra Teshiefuo eno mo anu demo musu man adenya omo say His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo wopa wo chewo Teshiefuo so wopa wo chew because na wonim say NDCs sa na wote da na fe no mu ahu say eye abato a woto skirt na wato blouse no enya de a eye se wokoto ma NPP president na wato ama NDC MP no enya de boende no tena omu anu omo ho 2020 aba na ekoto e no sa na omo to e NDC MP a omu nyan e wo Teshiefuo no omo no ho modern ontu menye lobbying wo parliament house mejidi kraza wo kasa na wakasa omo kwan ye Teshiefuo se no omo kwan nyinala asai enti se woto ma eye His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ene wosanso to ma NPP MP a enkenye ne se ndey parliament house ho MP ntumi nkasa omo kwan nyina asai ya omo anu demi enti ene Accra Teshiefuo kire se 2024 de ene na NDC fo mungina ye because they be monsia obeto abani na ma NPP fo no mo ayo mo akwan because His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo be president akwanya wa ye wo Ghana ha no me no omo gidi pa so mo to aba no e ma both presidential and parliamentary and Kenya ni say ndem kwan ina tutu mo nka won na e ma wosisi ye won ye nti nsema Teshiefuo e de etuya
because the price never before the balance Teshiefuo which special on the job after every apartment and no problem really as an account is and I'm over what was getting job and the appointment I say yeah and you want to no
ebusuafo ya suma Teshiefuo na ndom anu demi omo etres omo anu omo ho panti 2024 de omo to NDC ano omo to NDC nko omo to NPP nso na omo to NPP nko a ensem say na Teshiefuo ede atuja
cookies and I'm cover mkoto skirt and top and na sefo and the akwan na say ya MP no Teshiefuo no ono no untumi no obi no akofa bibidi aba
aban te driver ne petrol no so because or person driver no so ye den or tin the fare so aban te so my driver ne car owner we dia car owner say unim fanebo or no dia won tin the fare so ampa or da so jew dia or jew na. And instead of us as Ghanaians waking up and tackling these issues as they're supposed to be tackled, we rather sit NDC MPP. And what pisses me off when they say, Omo the NDC ni MPP did no cry the only omo nka say omo ye dey do. When was the last time you heard Sami Demfi making noise? Me say Ghana for we need to wake up. Me de be America. Yes, we have bad leaders. Yes, we need good leadership. But the fact is, the Ghanaian ordinary black man with the brain is dumb. I'm sorry. Over 85% of us don't use our brains. And that is why we struggle. Because the what Jimmy ye Juma. Now I buy biaju electricity bill. Mama papa. Now when to me uncle Tia. Ama what the doom so 4 years. Now say sa buy now ben never catch say now light see what would ye Juma no. Pamo the other light now mauno. Na mo nombra doom so now we are kwasi penny ko this our party next year. It is not about leadership. It is about your stupid brain. Say before Nana Akufo-Addo. O papa we brochire na nso ye pamu school fees. Na send ye pamu school fees bio. Now what catch me say there be even though say now me young pamu school fees no you rather want the one now or buy your bed pamu school fees now. You are not smart, you are a fool. I'm sorry. And this is what we do every day. All in the name of say NDC so ba. Say me party ba. Intermediate minim pass me party na yebuka omo number. But omo bebenti enye she let them come. I ask a simple question. For 1 month straight, 1 good month straight, and let me put this too. For 3 weeks straight. 3 consecutive weeks. The dollar and the CD have been at pegging. When I say pegging, as in baby or dinyo kodu yeno on chin ye mubio. When was the last time I would say I to force in my bejina ho ka eida CD to dollar view? Do you hear them talking about CD to dollar? Do you hear them talk about CD to dollar? Now they are finding the next propaganda to come and feed you people that don't like to read. They are finding another propaganda to come and give you people that don't like to read but will take your stomach to sell your own soul. Ghana eba akupo. Ghana eba akupe. Na ebi ni baby ebiu. Into what the fact party sem kataweni. Na se no. Ochine bi enye MPP na ebe wo ho. But esan se wugu eduaba bone MPP apensu nti no. Enne NDC ba ye no. Weduaba bone no ubetwa so aba. Onkwasia wo hini David ne nkwasiafo a mutu omugu social media say yenda da Ghana fo emma Ghana fo hu so mo man na ahia pansam no ubetwa sa aba no. Obie ni wa se be wadua ntos no wakotiti meko mimi hu bi da. NDC for do mbetumi aye. NDC for ade anyansan ni mu a ebi nsi da no na omo ye. Ye ti kromu ha. Omo so mu kura pink sheet. Ye ko do court ya ye nkura pink sheet ba akopo. Ye wo kromu ha free education 419 na ye dwen se omo meko ye bo pia omo maji dem ho ma. Eti ye ni mu om. Enu nti na my heart bleed these days. Mama Lydia, my heart bleeds a lot when I see NPP doing the work for NDC. Something they didn't do for you. Something they never did for you. You are busy using yedidia jamina wenye bina ena yedia ya juma na ya why ye jumenti yanfa party ni sikeni na mankodiana. Yey. Won kwa na we campaign. Mo amudi na o se ne yedidia jam no. Mo kwa na mo ye campaign ana. Na matina ho na sa nkwasiafo party we ya sebi ade papa bia mfiri mu ho mma. Mo twa mo ho a na makoton mo ho amomo na mo twe abo so. Na nka ne papa mu a NDC to make us about politics bi o de o mo de abeye Ghana fo yi. Now show me, I ask a typical question. I say, whenever price of things go high, we go on the government. Some of us even take it to I feel almost die politics. No, Ekufa do any say chimpanzee, Baumia is 10 year boa, 10 kwasia. We turn it personal. Na aku company for na no musi yo yate ne yate so. Yate so dia, sa kwasia mpani na was so video did mpani for atem ne yante nka o. Yatete niyama no so dia kwasiampani Johnny Hughes and to me ameka say yatete niyama so. Captain Jimmy ekokogbu ne gas na yate petrol no so dia obetena hwano no maachio hey we dey mean to me yem pass me obetena sa bola show no so no when to me anka nkire na kwasiampa for listeners ne say yate petrol so. 2 weeks ago you are insulting the president to reduce the petrol. Now the fuck